The Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
All right, we have an interesting weather forecast coming up for the next couple of days. And so we're going to try to explain it a little bit here for you. See two plates in front of us. We'll get to that in just a moment. First off, I want to show you your forecast for later today. As we go throughout the day, expecting temperatures to warm up from the 30s they are this morning to generally around 43, 44 degrees. We go later on today. Not expecting a whole lot of any snow potential, though. So I think most of the day will be partly cloudy skies with some breaks of sunshine. Temperatures generally in the lower 40s. Note that wind, though, 5 to at times 20 miles per hour, so kind of breezy throughout the day. Tonight,
it always makes it colder.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's going to make it feel even colder outside. Tonight makes the forecast tricky, too, because we're going to have some scattered snow showers moving in, some flurries across the valleys, with temperatures dropping down to near 30 degrees. Now, check out this future track map here. We're going to stop it here around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Through the overnight, you notice some scattered showers around. The same thing as we go into the day here on Sunday. So what I want to try to do here this morning is explain scattered snow showers with the help of a little bit of candy this morning as well. So
makes sense. A good comparison.
I'm going to give Maggie a handful of M&Ms here.
It's going to be really hard not to eat them.
We can get to that after the show. And I'm going to do the same. Now, hold your hand the same level as mine here, and go ahead and drop them. Okay, we made a mess. But notice how they all ended up in different locations. In fact, some of them off the plate here because...
even on the floor.
And the floor, because we made a gigantic mess. Now, let's do it one more time here. Pick up the ones on the plate.
Right.
And I'll pick the ones off the table here. Not sure how clean those are, but we'll give it a shot. I'll eat those. All right, now let's do the exact same thing again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I kept all mine on the plate that time.
One fell, not
what
bad.
I'm demonstrating here is how they're ending up in different locations each time. And that's kind of what we're going to see with the snow showers tomorrow. Let's take graphics full and we'll show you what's going to happen as we go over the next little bit of time here. Notice the snow shower activity becomes more widespread as we go later on into the evening and overnight hours. But then we're all done with it as we go into your Monday morning. So the snowfall potential is mainly going to come as we go into the day, Sunday, Sunday night, and into Monday. That's when we expect the greatest impacts. But let's show you future track throughout today into tomorrow once again. From Saturday afternoon, no weather impacts at all. We're looking okay outside. But notice we go into 7 p.m. here, the clouds start to increase. We go closer to midnight. That's when we get the chance for a few scattered snow showers across the area. And then as we go into the day here, later on to the overnight and into Sunday morning, some scattered snow showers. And those are going to last throughout the day on Sunday. Could have a few brief periods of heavy snow, but the problem is here, two things. It's going to be daytime, which limits accumulation, and we're also going to have a little bit of mixing across some of the valleys. So I'm not expecting a huge impact through the day on Sunday. But I think once the sun goes down, I think we'll see the potential for a little bit of accumulating snow. Now, a lot of this is going to be northwest flow snow, and the areas that typically see that are these pink and purple areas I have outlined here, especially some of the higher elevations near Wise. But we also have another factor in the forecast, a little bit of extra moisture thanks to a clipper. That comes in Sunday night into Monday morning. So with that, we will have the potential for some accumulating snow, even across the valleys. But with that scattered nature of the snow, just like with the M&Ms, it's hard to pinpoint exactly where those snow showers are going to land. So some of these areas that are outlined in this Tracy 2, you may get very little snow, while your neighbor, 2, 3, 4 blocks away, may get a little more snow. So keep that in mind as you're looking at our snowfall map. Not everyone is going to see that exact total, but most of the impact coming as we go into Sunday night, into Monday. Could have a few travel impacts and some school closings with that. Of course, we'll keep you updated. Chris Michaels will be in a little later on this afternoon. We'll have another forecast update as we go into our evening newscast and, of course, online as well. So.
And as those snow figs fall, you can just think of them as M&Ms.
Yeah, and now we get to eat the M&Ms.
That's the best part. All right, and still